Hello, today I'm going to do a review on the SAMODRA bidet. I feel every household should have this bidet. Now, this up top you see is a connector that was provided by SAMODRA, which is supposed to connect from the back of your tank to your pipe that comes from the water valve. However, this was the connector on the back of my toilet, which was stiff, and therefore I could not use this to connect. I had to go and purchase a separate pipe myself, which is 16 inches and it's flexible. Here's one here I got, which was 20 inches, which was way too long and it coiled too much. So the length was the 20 inches, but the connecting pieces was 7/8 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch. So up top is the 7/8, which is what's going to connect to the toilet. And then the bottom piece, which is here, is what connects to the water valve on the bottom. So that smaller part is what connects here. And this bigger part is what connects there. So I also had to purchase a separate T-valve because the one they provided could not fit and accommodate what I was trying to connect to. So I purchased this one. So this is 3/8. They're all 3/8 going around. And then it connected to the valve that was provided by SAMODRA. So if you can see here, this is the connecting to the actual bidet on my toilet. So you turn to the left, you clean the nozzle. You turn to the right, I'm not going to open it all the way, but the water actually starts to shoot up, and that's what cleans you. Okay? I also showing you how it connects. You put that on first, and then you put your toilet seat back on. However, this part right here was the confusing part to me, because in the instructions, I see this, which means it will slide left to right. And then as I open the instructions, it still doesn't indicate which direction I should turn those. Should they be upright or should they be horizontal? However, I chose to turn it upright to prevent the toilet seat from sliding to left to right. So it works. It does what it needs to do. I'm happy with my purchase, although I had to make two separate purchases to actually connect it and get it to work. But if you do your homework before you make the purchase, unlike me, then you should be able to have this up and working and ready to go at your leisure. So that is the bidet. My toilet is not oblong. It's circular, as you can see. And I'm sure it will work on the oblong toilet seats as well. So hope this was informational for you so that you know what you need to purchase before you actually get this one. It's less complicated to use. It is less complicated to connect. However, the parts that they provided did not work because my connector to my toilet was stiff and a short pipe, which was not allowing me to connect this, as to why I had to get a separate pipe connector and a T-valve adapter here at the bottom. Aside from that, hopefully everything will work for you. Ta-ta for now.
So, I got this for Anthony for Christmas, a bidet, and he brought it here because he was afraid to hook it up. So, I had to hook it up. And this is how it works. So, it's pretty easy installment, but Pacino's about to get blasted. All right. So, this part is for your booty, and this is feminine wash. For your booty, I'm gonna just turn it real slow because Pacino is about to get blasted. So see, it comes out through there and bam. Sorry, Pacino. So that was for your booty. And then this turning it this way is for the feminine wash. So, bam, Pacino got blasted again. But it's cool. Cool. All right, so we installed the bidet. And here's what the setup looks like back here. Down into the water. It was very easy to do. Here's the handle. And we're just gonna give you a quick display. It does shoot up, so we have a towel ready. Okay, go ahead. Okay, close it. So that's what it does. It's pretty cool, and that's it.